cheap IKEA chair. I take it to the garage and we will continue there. We will check the price later. It was also under different names with some small modifications. Again, we will talk about this later. You probably recognize this one. And before this one, I tested several other options. And it happened that my gentle ass sticked with these cheap IKEA chairs. It resisted to all other brand options. I've got... okay, let me omit details. So this and only this, not only for your bottom part, but also for the back. Okay, so this one. And I replaced it several times. For what reason? Not for this one, but because everything is going to be broken after a couple years here. And we are discussing this part. We are discussing how we can fix it. What options do we have to fix it? So, and this one is called Fingal. 2107. They don't produce it anymore. It doesn't have this, I don't know how you call this, swing option. I'm not sure. So, and later in this video you will see, let me first explain you. Yeah, so I don't use scripts for my video. I just do things as they go, and I decide that okay, it's good to share this information with someone because people can appreciate it and probably find this useful for themselves. So I do the video, but I don't have script. Yeah, so I don't do video because of the video. I do the video because I do something for myself. So that's why sometimes you don't see connections, but I cover these connections with this blah blah blah. So Fingal 2107 without this swing. Let me know in comments how you call this. So it has this design, and the new one, the one that you will see soon, not soon but in this video, the name you will see soon, has also the same design here and this option. Let me go to the computer. So the new one that you will see in this video called RENBERGET, and there is extra 2 in the beginning. 2107, and I googled now, and under this name and part number now I see this RENBERGET, and I see this the new covering here and the new parts here. I hope they work the same because I want to buy extra one to have it in my storage. And this word, Myydyin, to me is new. For 16 years I never heard it, so I was thinking that it's like on sales or sold, and that's why I asked my wife, and she explained that it means best seller. And guys, it looks like not only my gentle ass really appreciate this chair. So what is bad here? Actually almost everything, but the main problem is here. Original wheels. These are not original already. We will discuss original quite soon. The place where you fix them, they will always loose. That is the main weak point of this. We will discuss it also. Gas lift, okay, it's a spare part for any chair. Let's go on details. First about original wheels, castors, how you call them. So they just don't do their job initially. It's a junk that should go directly from trash. What is the option to replace them? Well, another chair wheels, a good one with rubber, soft material that will last. The one that you have seen, for example, in my case, in my room office, I use them for more than 10 years. So, but remember, the diameter here for IKEA is 10 millimeters, not 11 as for other chairs. I think you already know this. 10 millimeters, and they will fit here. There is a lot of options. Just buy good one, and that's it. You will solve this problem. It's fine. But we are not about this. Our main purpose is to discuss another subject. The problem that we want to cover that this place for wheels they lose after some time, yeah, so they will drop out because they have this plastic insert here. I removed one insert and you can see what happens. So that's why you lose these wheels. What to do with this? I heard that in some places IKEA may give this for you for free and you can just replace it. Yeah, I didn't try it here in Finland. I believe it's probably possible. But I start to search for my own solutions how to solve this problem, and here what I figured out. Here I have some wheels that I bought long time ago by mistake. They have thread here. So, and the first solution that I invented myself, yeah, well, at least like for this one. I haven't seen that someone else offer this solution. You can use these wheels with thread and you can fix it here this way. It's probably a permanent fix, but it's quite difficult to make. It's difficult to use wrench on this nut to hold it, so I use screwdriver to keep it. Yeah, anyway, I fixed this. The wheels itself are not so good, yeah, so they are plastic with some log that I'm not sure that it's good. Yeah, but anyway, it's just the idea. If you liked it, then please like and subscribe and give your comments. So that's the idea. It will take some time to put it all around, but that's one of the ideas if you don't want to replace this insert with some other stuff or the same insert. In order to show you some other solutions, I have to wait for some stuff to come from Teemo. Yeah, but let me now mention this gas lift. Yeah, gas lift. Okay, let it be. So, but what I can say about it, it can be broken in any chairs. Any gas lift will be broken in some day. I show you this chair. Cross? Did you call it cross? By the way, I'm waiting another one, and that will be another option to change this entirely for the... Well, why I'm spoiling this? When it comes, I will tell you. Yeah, and guys, for me it will be several weeks, but for you it will be right now. Wow! So, and here we have all that stuff. Let's get back to this later. So, this cross, or how you will call this, I don't know, wheels or castors. Yeah, that is awesome. Gas lift, or how you call this, I don't know, certified SGS. Nice. Let's talk about this one first. I will cover this stuff with these inserts actually quickly. So the idea was that you put it here, you push it inside, either when you have this insert or on the place without insert. It's a nice stuff, good diameter. It will sit here in this metal part very well. However, guys, unfortunately, inside diameter is so small that it doesn't fit neither 11 nor 10 IKEA chairs. So I would probably like to drill and test and show for you, but I don't want. Yeah, so I will use this original IKEA cross and put the rest of the wheels castors this with the nut, and I actually don't need this cross anymore because I'm going to use this one. So just remember, I will put this in the description. So I don't know where you can apply exactly this part number, so it perfectly fits here, but not inside diameter. Probably you will like to drill and test. I don't want. So we go to this point and let's meditate. So when you use some chair, yeah, I don't know, probably you thought in this direction. So what is the most important for you? So this part, actually not that one. So if you found a suitable chair, it's usually because of this part. For your back, depth, everything, for your gentle ass. So this part is the most important. So it can be expensive chair, it can be IKEA, but that what works for you. For me works this one. So, and here we can do entirely new part. So we found, oh, by the way, here is the name of this one. Yeah, previously it was another one. Probably I will show you later. It was, I think it's the year 18. So, and that's why we are going to replace entirely these things. Like gas lift is anyway broken. It will always broke. This cross and castors. Yeah. So I don't know where you will buy. I bought it from Amazon. This one, Sytopia SYT-BASE-REP-F-BL, etc. And it looks awesome. It's a solid piece of metal, a thick metal. It's quite solid. I don't know how it will work through the time, but I believe it will be a solid, nice, and forever working piece of equipment. And this is fully metal part. I don't see any plastic there. I don't think it will ever be damaged or loose. So, and this welding here is perfect. So I believe this will last, if I remember right, about 40 euros. Doesn't matter. We are building the perfect chair. This part is perfect for us. And here we are building the right one, not that IKEA junk. So I will do and will show you. Nothing to show you right now. Here you will probably find another one. And when we buy this new cross, which is not IKEA, we immediately leave their ecosystem with 10 millimeters castors, and we are going to use 11, and we have good choice of them. So, and again, I bought from Amazon. This looks very nice, but I will put in the description. It's better than the one that I have replaced recently, that I have on another chairs. So I think the dust is less collected here. Also looks very solid to me. So it will go there. I will do it later when I have both hands. So I will show you the final result. And probably that's it, but you already can like, subscribe to help this small channel. So just briefly, yeah, if you for some reason still want to use, no, okay guys, without briefly, gas lift, yeah. So let's cover this stuff. Gas lift, again, there are some brands, quality brands. I wanted to buy them, but I cannot find them. So I just picked up some from Amazon again, about probably 25 euros. I don't know how long it will last and how good it will work. You can ask me in comments probably after, if you watch this video after say 1 year, and I will tell you if it's still working. Should I tell you how you select it? I'm not sure. So you will have the new height with this cross, yeah. So not the same like you had before. Even new wheels will add something, or will remove something. Usually will add. So you have the new initial height, and you should select this part so that the minimum is not too high for you, and maximum is not too low for you. Did you get the point? Yeah. So for example, the original IKEA solution on the very top, it's too low for me. So I always use this on the highest top, on the highest level, but it's too low to me. So that's why when you change this cross, you should find your perfect perfect gas lift. So probably that's it. I don't want to recap all the things. I will just show you the final result. So it's ready, as you can see, and in compare with the original IKEA, it's a little bit wider, but more or less the same, and it's tall, yeah, taller, higher, yeah, so something like that. Okay, it doesn't matter, it's high, you can see this, even cat will fit here freely. So now I'm put the gas lift, then the chair, and let's see if the height will be right to me. Well guys, I tested this and I think it's the perfect one with this gas lift. So the minimum one is really quite low, and the high one, the highest point is when my feet are not flat to the floor. So I think there will be a sweet spot somewhere a little bit lower than the maximum. So it should work to me, this height, this solution. So yeah, that's my new perfect chair. I think it will last now for many years. And that's the final result. And here I put both together. Oh, test with the cat. Will the cat fit? And so here I have both. That is the new one on the minimum. That is the original IKEA on the maximum, which is not enough to me. So it means that the minimum is okay, because this is the maximum that is not enough to me. I need higher, so the minimum will not have a problem. Let's now try the maximum here. So, and now both on maximum, the original IKEA maximum, that is not enough for me, and the new one maximum, which is quite more than this one. And I needed just a little one. So I really have a perfect one between minimum and maximum now. And so here we have that perfect chair, and I only need your perfect likes and subscriptions. Bye. Kissa, can you help with the test? No. Maybe you can help.